Step 1. Skills. Let's start with the essential skills needed for your first job. A front-end developer is responsible for how a website looks and behaves in a browser. To achieve this, you'll need the following skills: HTML and CSS, the foundation of any website. Learning to properly structure and style a layout is one of the first steps. JavaScript and TypeScript, essential today. JavaScript brings web pages to life, while TypeScript helps write more predictable code. React or Vue. These modern frameworks speed up work and make it more efficient, with many companies preferring one or the other. Working with Git. In nearly every company, you'll work in teams and use version control, so Git and GitHub are mandatory. HTTP and browser rendering. Understanding how the browser interacts with the server, including requests and responses, gives you a deeper insight into web performance. Task estimation, a skill that comes with practice but is essential in any job. Companies need developers who can accurately predict task timelines. These skills form the core knowledge needed to successfully navigate developer interviews. Discipline. Mastering these skills takes discipline. Many underestimate its importance. Enrolling in a course or university isn't enough. You need to study daily, dedicating 2-3 hours to learning new concepts and practicing them. For many, this means reshaping their schedules, sacrificing leisure time, and setting aside everyday routines. Think ahead about how ready you are to make these changes, how and where to learn. Now, let's discuss different pathways to your first job. Option 1. University. Universities offer comprehensive programs, providing fundamental knowledge, but it's not as simple as it sounds. First, it's long and expensive. Earning a degree takes 4 to 5 years, and technology can evolve significantly during that time. Plus, tuition fees can be substantial. Upon graduation, you're likely to start as an intern or junior developer. Why? Universities provide a strong theoretical base, but they don't always keep up with market needs, and companies often prefer to train new hires on the job. Option 2. Mentorship. Mentorship is one of the most effective ways to learn. You work with an experienced developer who gives you tasks, assists with your code, and helps you find a job. It's fast, productive, and provides you with insights into real market requirements, helping you enter live projects sooner. But there's a downside. Mentorship is costly. The time of a professional is valuable, and good mentors charge high fees to dedicate time to you. Plus, this method isn't for everyone. Mentors need motivated, committed students. Option 3. Online courses. Online courses often advertise themselves as an affordable way to learn a profession from scratch, and many people choose this path expecting quick results. But keep this in mind, a significant portion of the course fee goes toward marketing, and the programs themselves can be lengthy, sometimes up to 1 to 2 years. Many course creators are more focused on profit than on your success, which can lead to inefficient approaches that waste your time and money. Is there a perfect option? There wasn't. That's why I decided to take the best from each of these options and create a program that combines their benefits. Here's what I did. I took the effectiveness of mentorship, but made the program affordable for several people at once. This way, the quality of training remains high, but the cost becomes affordable. What is EarnIT? EarnIT is more than a course, more than mentorship, and not just a university. It's a comprehensive approach that includes daily tasks. Each day, you'll get tasks with a quiz at the end to test your knowledge. Practice. Theory without practice is useless, so there are many practical assignments. Feedback from mentors. Every practical task is reviewed by a mentor who provides feedback. Community, a group chat with fellow students. Learning is easier together. Community interaction motivates, keeps you on track, and enhances teamwork skills. Why does this work? The social factor helps you stay disciplined, even if you've given up on studies before. People in the group support each other, answer questions, and help with assignments. The learning format is organized to motivate even procrastinators to put in full effort. Pricing. I know that many enter programming to start earning more, often due to financial need. Charging thousands for courses doesn't make sense, so I made EarnIT affordable, even for high schoolers or college students. And the best part? You can start for free. Join the Telegram channel for more info. Now, anyone committed to achieving results can take this path. With you will be a team, mentors, and a community to support your journey toward your first job as a developer. Join the Telegram channel for more info.